actually, what is he doing? Wow. This is wild. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Beamer Fam. You guys join me inside of my BMW M4, and today we're leaving Angeles Crest. We're leaving the canyons of LA. We're gonna be checking out Little Tokyo, downtown Los Angeles for the first time, just to capture some of the wealth gap here in not only Southern California, but Los Angeles specifically. Have never been to LA, that's personally the biggest thing I do not like about this city is the wealth gap here. You know, some of those homes go for anywhere from 5 million, 2 million to 10 million, and some of these homes are probably $100 million out here. We're gonna see pretty much the wealthiest of the wealthiest all the way down to Skid Row, and just pretty much just see what that looks like. See, downtown LA is literally right there. Solid 10-15 minute drives from the canyons, not that bad. I love the shifts on this car. So we're getting off the highway. If you guys didn't know this, I actually lived in Japan for almost 2 years. So we're gonna head over to Little Tokyo to see if it actually looks like kind of like a real Japanese area. Wow, so this first section, you see a lot of tents on the side. Apparently Skid Row and Little Tokyo are kind of like right next to each other. So I mean, like, I guess this is the kind of stuff you could expect, you kind of see all the time. So already I see a lot of people wearing anime clothing. There's a lot of Japanese restaurants over here, and Japanese, you know, hiragana, katakana written language, which is pretty cool. Oh wow. You even has some of the castle-like buildings you would see out in Japan. This almost looks like a little courtyard shopping center that is almost actually something you would see straight out of Japan, which is pretty cool. Wow, check that out. That's pretty cool. You even got the red balloons. Okay, this is pretty authentic over here. I can't even lie. There must be some kind of like anime convention going on, because I'm seeing a lot of people wearing just anime clothing. Even these apartment buildings, this is something you would kind of see in Japan, as far as like the architecture and stuff. Even some of these trees too. It's kind of cool actually. We're gonna head over to Skid Row just to see what that looks like. Are not even 2 blocks away from Little Tokyo, and we have somebody begging in the street. Look at him. He's actually, what is he doing? I'm getting past this. I don't know what just happened there, but wow, that's just, like I was saying earlier, the wealth gap here in Los Angeles, it is a bit cringy, because, you know, literally 10 minutes south, we were in the canyons, one of the most expensive neighborhoods in the country. 10 minutes away, you're literally in Skid Row. And not only that, 2 minutes behind us is Little Tokyo, which is kind of like, what does that even mean? Wow, there's a cop. You see a lot of tents over here. I guess this is Skid Row. I mean, you see people stretched out on the street. Tents everywhere. Wow, it's almost like a ghost town down here. This is wild. I kid you not, since I've been in this area, I've probably seen it anywhere from 30 to 40 homeless people just on the side of the street. It's a bit heartbreaking, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Like, wow, look down that street. Oh my god.
The
Wow. This is wild. I mean, this is basically everywhere you look. There are just tents everywhere. Wow. That was literally 30 seconds from where we're at right now, and it's already back to, you know, downtown LA. It's actually pretty clean over where I'm at right now. But I mean, just that's a lot to take in. I mean, to witness that in person, you know, I think what's the craziest thing about Skid Row, you go a couple blocks, it's super clean, super high-end money, people paying $4,000 a month for an apartment, and like on the same block you have Skid Row, and then, you know, you have all these homeless people and people who are down on their luck, while there's like Rolls Royces, Mercedes, BMWs just driving by. And see right here, right when I say that, is a McLaren. Look at that, 570S McLaren. So like I said, again, you just have that massive wealth gap that is just, it's staggering. It's really hard to wrap the head around, because I mean, I've been to a lot of major cities, New York City included, Chicago, Miami, and there's nothing in the US that comes close to what I just witnessed. I'm trying to put it into words for you guys, but I guess if I could put it into one word, it's just sad. It's a very American thing to see. I mean, a lot of people, I'm sure people who grew up around here are very used to it, but me being from Michigan, a whole different side of the country where you don't see anything like that. Even in Detroit, Michigan, you don't see anything close to that, not even remotely. It's very mind-boggling. It's really hard to wrap your head around, and again, it's just sad. Nice X3M comp. Check this out. Oh, it's San Marino blue. Oh, these tunnels are sick. Woo! Yeah. But you were ripped. Enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button as well. Check us out on Instagram @LeverFan. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.